Hello Year 1. So today we are going to be practicing the subtraction skills we have been learning last week and this week. Okay, so first problem, how many counters are not small? So if we have a look at the picture, you can see there's a selection of counters there. Some are big counters, some are small counters. So we need to see if we can think about the subtraction number sentence we need to write to work out the answer. So the first thing we need to do, we need to work out how many counters we have altogether. So carefully count them. Well done if you counted 8 counters. So we have 8 counters altogether. We need to find out now how many are not small. So first of all, we need to count the small ones and take them away. So the small ones, we can see we have 3 small ones. So we have the subtraction number sentence 8, take away 3. So if we take those 3 away, if we partition those, we can see that we will have 5 big ones left. So 8 take away 3 equals 5. So I wonder if you can remember how we could write this subtraction number sentence in my part whole. What number will go in the whole? Well done if you said 8. 8 counters altogether. And then, of course, we need to put 3 in one part and 5 in the other part. Okay, let's look at the next problem. How many pencils are not pink? So look carefully at the pencils. How would we write a subtraction number sentence to find out how many pencils are not pink? So what number would need to go in the first box here? How many pencils have we got all together? Count them carefully. Well done if you said 9. There are 9 pencils all together. So we need to know how many pencils are not pink. So first of all, we need to subtract, we need to take away the pink pencils. So count the pink pencils very carefully. Well done if you counted 5. So we're going to find 9 pencils altogether. We're going to subtract 5 and we're going to find out how many green pencils there are. So 9 take away 5. If we split those into 2 groups, we would see we have 4 green pencils. So how would I write that subtraction number sentence in my part whole? Which number needs to go in the whole? Well done if you said 9. 9 pencils altogether, 9 in our whole, which means we need 5 and 4 in the 2 parts. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at this problem then. There are 8 counters altogether. 4 of them are blue, the rest are yellow. How many are yellow? So we already have the subtraction sentence written out for us here. 8 take away 4, and we need to work out how many are left, how many are yellow, and what the missing part is. So you could do this in different ways. You could get 8 counters or 8 objects and partition them. You could put 4 into one group and see how many are left in the other group. You could use a number line and find 8 and count back 4 jumps, subtract 4 and see what number you land on. And if you did either of those things, you will find that 8 take away 4 equals 4. And of course, it would mean the missing number in our part is 4. There are 4 yellow counters. Okay, so I'm going to give you a chance to have a go at this one. So there are 9 counters altogether. 3 of them are red, the rest are green. How many are green? So we've got our subtraction number sentence we need to solve. 9 take away 3 equals. So you could either get 9 objects now and partition them, break them into 2 groups, or you could get a number line, find 9 and count back 3 jumps. So have a go now and see if you can solve this problem. 9 take away 3 equals. Okay, so you should have found the answer to be 6. So there were 9 counters altogether, so 9 needed to go in the hole. And if we partition those two groups, we should have 3 in one group and 6 in the other group. Or if you used your number line, you should have landed on the number 6, which would mean there are 6 green counters. Okay then, today's problems. You could use a number line or the break apart method we've learnt this week to solve these problems. It's entirely up to you how you go about solving these, whichever you find easiest. So we have a list of calculations. It's going to move me out of the way. There we go. So we've got 9 take away 8, 8 take away 1, 7 take away 5, 6 take away 0, and 10 take away 3. And then I've also put a little challenge. I've put some part holes up there with some missing parts. So I wonder if you could work out what parts are missing and write the matching number sentence as well, the subtraction number sentence, to show the answer. So good luck. We'd love to see some photographs, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye everybody.